Today we're going to be taking a look at this 1970 Buick Gran Sport 455 Stage 1. The Gran Sport name has been used on several high-end performance cars built by Buick since 1965. In the GM brand's hierarchy, Buick was surpassed in luxury and comfort appointments only by Cadillac, which did not produce performance models. As a result, the Buick GS series were the most opulently equipped GM Sport models of the era. The Gran Sport performance enhancements on all Buick products during this era sought to affirm Buick's tradition of producing powerful and comfortable products going back to the 1930s, when all Buicks of the time were upgraded to the Buick Fireball Straight 8, then installed the 278 cubic inch 4.6-liter Roadmaster engine in the shortest model special and introduced the Century, known as the Banker's Hot Rod, with a 3-speed synchro-mesh manual transmission. The Gran Sport sought to identify cars that were fun to drive with a luxury approach. The 400 was replaced for 1970 with the Buick 455 cubic inch 7.5-liter V8 engine, used in the GS 455. The base model was rated at 350 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque at only 2,800 RPMs. In the optional Stage 1 trim, equipped with a single 4-barrel Rochester Quadrajet carburetor, was rated at 360 horsepower at 4,600 RPMs, and 510 foot-pounds of torque at still only 2,800 RPMs. The fastest magazine test result for this period were attained by Motor Trend magazine, which managed to extract a 13.38 ET at 105.5 miles per hour from their 3,810-pound GS Stage 1 coupe test car. Using Howell's trap speed formula, this result indicated an actual as-installed peak horsepower of approximately 360 horsepower. Dennis Manor, Buick engine development engineer, still recalls the production line pulled engine dyno test results from 1970, where the lowest horsepower output of the 15 tested 455 Stage 1 engines was 376 horsepower. The Stage 1 engine used cylinder heads that, while using raw casting of the same pattern as all of the other Buick 455s sharing the same model year, were machined differently in order to accept larger valves, and to produce smaller compression chambers for increased static compression ratio. The option also included a more aggressive camshaft, a specially tuned 4-barrel Quadrajet carburetor, more aggressive ignition timing, a 5/8-inch oil pickup tube, and higher numerical final drive, and was available with either a Turbo-Hydramatic 400 3-speed automatic transmission or a Muncie M22 4-speed manual transmission. Stage 1 cars equipped with air conditioning received a 3:42 axle ratio. Our option is equipped with a Turbo-Hydramatic 400 3-speed automatic transmission. The GSX was Buick's contribution to the classic-era American muscle car list, based on the GS 455, which was in turn based on the Skylark platform, adding an appearance, performance, and handling package available starting in 1970 model year. Our example is the Gran Sport Stage 1 with the GSX Appearance package. Now let's take a listen to this torque monster of a 455 cubic inch V8 engine.